the right page here. So this month has been really good. The weather has cooperated, and let's see, what do I got to do to back up one slide? There you go. So the CTE program, they came out, did a drone flyover, and this is a photo that they took of the site itself. They had one of the whole site, and I decided to put this one in there that actually just shows the actual building itself. But this month's been a great month, and we're looking forward to some good weather to continue on. During this month, the site grading continued. On the soccer fields, grading is near completion. The cut and fill operations front parking lot has started, and it's almost done. Baseball and softball field grading is continues. The concrete foundation work in area C and D is almost complete, which will complete all of the footers for the building. The low block is complete except for a small section in area D. The mechanical, electric, and plumbing under slab rough-in in the gym area was completed. The under slab rough-in in areas B, C, and D are in progress. Slab on grade in area A is complete and has started in area B. That's the concrete pour. It's all area A is all poured out, and we poured a little bit into area B. Foundation walls underground have been waterproofed and are complete, and the CMU walls at the gym are going up now. In the next coming month, we plan to complete the underground MEP rough-ins in areas B, C, and D. The slab on grade prep and pour areas B, C, and D. So hopefully by the 29th of April, all of the concrete slabs for the building will be poured. The steel is to be set in area A this week. The remaining steel will be coming sometime in April, and they will start setting steel on the building around the 21st of April. The grading for the baseball and softball fields will continue. To finalize the football field grading, just to kind of touching up things, that will be completed. The cut and fill of the front parking, whatever's left, will be done. And then we're continuing work on the north roundabout, where we've got to relocate a bunch of utilities. And they've already undercut for the ticket booth for the foundations, and they started on the field house yesterday, undercut for the foundations. So work has progressed greatly this month, and looking forward to see what's going to happen in the next month. Here's a few pictures we took. This was our first concrete pour. This was about 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning. They had just started pouring the gym on the far end there. This was the next day after the gym floor had been poured, and they were cutting the control joints in. This is where they were demoing where the new roundabout goes on the north end of the building, getting the pavement out of the road so we can start those utilities and get a transformer relocated and get power on our office trailer, permanent power, instead of a generator that runs all day right beside my window. This is another pour we did. This is looking south down by the locker rooms, the team rooms. This was poured on the 21st. This is where they've been laying block in the gym area bathrooms, the ones that will be used for basketball and football. Here's a picture of the gym looking southwest. You can kind of see the walls are going up. I think the one on the far end's about somewhere around 20 feet high now, and the ones on the side are probably around 16. Here's another picture looking the opposite way from the gym. And you can see that the wall's on the side there as well. This is the auditorium subgrade. We finally got it cut where, so you can actually see the slope of it and all that. So that area looks really good now. Getting ready for the stone and the concrete to be poured there. So now we have a interactive drone image that Anthony's going to walk us through. Well, he's going to run the machine, the little mouse, and I'm going to talk about it. This is a pretty good thing that we did, that they've done that I think was pretty cool, so I wanted to share that with the group tonight. We can come in entrance on the low end, where everybody will be coming in to the left there. There you go. Roll it around so everybody can see kind of how it sets. Whoa.
It's good though. Excellent.
So this is where the school, all the traffic should come into the school. This is down the road from the call center. As you can see, go up to the right there. Let's go left first. This way.
They didn't catch her out on this wood.
Don't do it on paper. So this road right here, which he'll blow up here in a second. There you go. This is the road that'll be going up by the football field, up to the athletic park and going up further there. As you can see, there's a retention pond on the left. The football field will be on the right, just a little bit further up. Going up. Oh, they don't like you, do they?
Program's running slow. Yeah. Might be something with connection.
With the mouse. Can you run it from back? Would it be easier to run it from back there, guys?
You got something that's not white.
Try that. Oh, get something in. Oh, there you go. Now you gotta find your place again. It will mess with you, that's for sure.
This mouse might be running dead.
Yeah, you're not far.
Looks
Just
so
go
good,
forward.
doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you can see some
Yeah,
of it,
big-
yeah.
big
Looks
blaze.
good. Good job. Yeah, it's huge. I went up there last week.
Yeah, mouse is lagging. I'm not sure if it's the program or the mouse. There we go.
And we're talking. All right.
It's running smooth now.
All right, so go on up to the parking lot there on the left there. This is where the parking lot will be for the baseball, softball field. And over to the left there is where they've been cutting out. You can kind of see, roll it so they can see the cut of the baseball field. The baseball field does have a little slope down into it. The softball field will also. What's wrong with this thing?
It's not going to cooperate.
Are we too far away with the mouse guy?
Oh, no, you can see when I come back here.
Go back here.
Move it,
It might be easier.
20 seconds.
There,
See if it'll work a
are
little
there
better.
two entries and exits to the facility, or just a single?
There's one entrance down from by where you come out by the
Kildare.
what is it called? Call center. That road.
Okay.
Or you can come in from the neighborhood.
Okay.
Is that better? Yeah. Okay, so roll it. So you can see where his mouse is there. That's where the softball field is. I mean, baseball, softball will be off to the left. They've not finished cutting that out yet, so that'll be cut out some more. I think the softball field's a little bit higher than the baseball field. All right, let's go back to the entrance and go up the road. Yeah, it's working a lot better. So as you come in, up from the Rough Grouse Lane there, the entrance to the parking lot is about there where his mouse is, back this way a little further. Come on back a little more towards, right in that, just before you hit that curve, that's where the entrance to the main parking lot will be, is there. Going up. And there's another pond up there. As you can see, all those rocks there are for landscaping that will be spread out throughout the site. All right, let's go take a look at the school, buddy. So you can kind of get a perspective of the walls and stuff going in. This is inside the gym. He's rolling around now. But these walls are much taller now already since they ran the drone. All right, come back out. As you can see, the gym was poured. That was on the 18th. The next day, they poured that area that has the yellow air barrier or moisture barrier down, and then they poured the other area on the 21st. So go over to the right. So there's the auditorium, the band room to the left of the auditorium. Band storage is all there in that little section there. To the right of the auditorium, we are putting underground plumbing in that area right now. That is the kitchen and dining area. That's where the kitchen and dining will be. And go on over to the right, near the front, come to the front of the school. That's where your admin offices are, along there. Your first CTE wing is in the back there, and then the other one there to the right. So anyway, that's just kind of an idea. We thought it was pretty cool where we could roll it around and you could see the different elevations. Let's go to the football field. We forgot the football field. So as you can see, you're down in the football field, and the sides, how it's cut up on the three sides, the banking, they still got to do the final grading. The field house would be down there, straight down on the end, on the open end down there. So anyway, that's kind of what I wanted to show. I thought it was pretty neat how that they've done this and made it available where we could use it for the meeting. Any questions or comments tonight? Just keep giving us good weather and we will keep on keeping on.
You did a good job.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Do we have any other delegations?